Ndo janeno mara gikone to ringre ma jatend migao machon mar Kowo Ngire George Magoha ochopo e dalane Umiru County ma Siaya motelo ne ik mare odiochieng' makiny tarik 11 dwe mar ariyo higani. Kalapapla mar jolweny moting'o ringre Magoha nochopo e alap ma sikund primar ma Yala Township e kar sa Onyango. Meche mag oganda nochopo e skundno mar rwako wuodgi dala kendo chiwo ne luor mogik. Ringre Magoha noter achiel kachiel nyaka e sikund sekondar ma St. Mary's Yala, kama Magoha osebedo katiyo kaka jakom mar board mar skundno chakre higa mar 2016 nyaka koro nyotho. Japuonj maduong' mar skundno Victor Makanda notelo ne jopuonj mag skundno ywago Magoha kaka rwadh tich kendo manoketo maino mare e bero kod kelo dongruok e skundno. Gie kinde ni ringre Magoha ninde pare ma Umiru alamogi kinyne bagi kar sa 4 okinyi e mbalariany ma Odera Kango manitiere bomano ma Yala.
And today we are mourning somebody that you, the members of the Fourth Estate, have not given us a very good picture of who he is. Outside there, very authoritative and very authoritative. That is far from Professor Magoha we knew here. Somebody that had children, especially from the destitute families, at heart. You could call me right in the middle of the night. I'm told students are being sent home at school. What do we do to try and rescue this? The students and the community around here have lost a gym that replacing is not anywhere closer.
The leadership of Professor Magoha impacted positively this school. During the time that he became the CS, he has contributed to the building of 2 state-of-the-art hostels, one named after him and the other named after the former president Uhuru Kenyatta.
As a school, we have lost a gentleman. We have lost a critical person in our system. Since he was this is our chairman board, since he was chairman from 2016, the school has made tremendous growth, including infrastructure, as indicated on the